In Canada, America is 1 hour something. Early Jamaica, madam, I just come from Chugget, I got dream weekend tomorrow. Is what? Different country. Okay. Spice is the queen. But my queen as well, my dear. Spice is fair one spice black, strong black queen, my spice. Spice call me now when. Spice big up and nice spice selves. Spice has spice up the ear and spice up the nation and spice up Jamaica. Move for leave me and spice. If you get a queen in them one way. On a bad minded, two-sided cutlass, bad minded back a belly rat. Leave me alone. My up plus blood. Do not bring Spice name to me and create any havoc over here. Spice is my best friend in my mind. My Spice is bestest friend. And my Spice talking now. Was it February do it? I swear so. And I don't tell none of blood Spice talk to Spice. Spice call me. Our Spice in our blue ear in our real life. I'm my best friend for true. How this a kiss them teeth? Come on from I can't hold three teeth, darling. Come on for this. Move your blood. You now get my husband. Go ahead. I thief you want thief my husband, but you depend me. You don't know who that background. Girl, Queenie, my attitude, Miss Karen. One step of boss. Low me now one step of boss. How am gone? Got your bed, bruv. Spice is the queen, pure. Change your name. Alright, tell me one name where you want me to change. So let me see if me will work out something.
I
Come.
gotta change your mama name first. You can't change your name.
Alright, she says Spice is a queen. If you're a girl, is a to your jackass. You can't give your queenship to Spice or your queenship to me. Take your don't try strip me from my queen. Me a queen back and belly rat queen. Me a upside it down queenie. Me a ill and gully wide queenie. Me a long and short queenie. Me a move your Chris future. Chris future now come to Jamaica. I don't know what that they know now. When I buy a plane ticket and come to Jamaica every 3 days, Jamaica is a real blue to England. And I forgot buy one ticket for me, not ticket. Me not a ticket for two. Queen, what you have for me? I've got me with my lovely, beautiful spirit. For you, how many kids you have, Queenie? Black China. I think that's Black China. What you doing on my if you don't know how many kids I've got? I've got 5 kids. My first child, she died when she was 33, which is 2 years ago. Then I have 4 people left and 2 grandbaby. Oh, you don't know that. Queenie, me hungry now. Me hungry too. Me ears a spice. Get back the sun in her bed. What? Do not try chat spice with me. Leave me and spice alone. Spice add plus go ahead. I pure suck out do it talk but like
so I'm out your mother bumble.
Wait did I do it, man. Do it well. I pure suck out do it talk but like him wear some front fit. You want some front for them? I want to give my but I make about one part of it with rub. Them no never done them for my husband. I'm not eat that. Do it have all I said to make sure married to me. But love do it. Do you have sense? Cause him know any bomber any nose, any eye, any ears hole, any finger blow. old test. So they're going back to England. My England in a malice. Alright, madam, bless up. Let me do it for the night, no? Alright, come borrow do it.
Always put me in a bumbo clutch.
Go ahead, you like it, don't mind you. Dots plus equal. Dots plus equal.
Don't plus multiply, subtract, take away, addition.
Listen, you know vice grip? That me put time on doing. You see, if it was in junior, I would have lent you in. But I rethink and I reconsider. I will not. I refuse to lend any of you lot my husband. And I don't know somebody that goes to that. Oh, very the queen don't. Anything for doing my husband now pass me. Bumbo clad. Come make us sing one God song before I get rude. Come. To God be the glory. Great things he has done. And give us the victory. I get rid of them. This couple like crack or do good again. I care. I got power cry just right now. I'm gonna cut them out. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, man. Do we ever do good to good? Praise the Lord, we're ever going to need a tree and do a bucket. You, Lord, can't get to watch. Only say Cray pregnant. Cray go and rock at the baby, man, Queenie. I'm living life. I them I call her them. Cray have the baby and I will help you when the baby born.
Somebody did
right. Somebody did name, sir?
It's your root fever, but name.
It's not a root for you to go. Cray when you bring the white baby, then we can talk. But for now, we will have fun and live and we will walk. So Cray
all if that a breed, all when that me tell you from now, all when that barn bumbo, you not it not get look one. Go bite it deepest part in your bumbo.
Whoa.
Must get them, must tell them.
When a married man and expect for me to tag along. Man and expect me to cry and wallow in the mud. Me and my husband living life from one part